You're Munfu Prophet, man. Look, we back and it's a lituation station. Listen, the most common questions, one of the most common questions that I get asked is, Munfu, how do you keep your hats clean? How do you clean your sweatbands? All right, so I'm about to break it down for you. This is not an ad. This is not paid promotion.
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
It's 100% the only thing that I've ever used on sweatbands that works. And I'm not telling you this because of hats. Because to be honest, if my sweatbands dirty, I usually don't care. But I care if my sneakers are dirty or not. And I'm gonna be 100 with you. I've tried these on Travis Scott 1 highs with suede and it worked perfect. So this is what I'm talking about. Crown clean. All right, bam, we gonna start. I stand by the wipes. You can use the foam. I got the foam too. I stand by the wipes. They're worth it. They're worth every penny. When you bust one out, just clean all your hats so then you don't waste them. But the 10 lasts me like 4 or 5 months. So look, I'm gonna show you 2 different hats in 2 different scenarios, and I'm gonna also tell you different things to clean as well. One of them being a brush, a regular brush, and a foam brush. So as you can see, this hat is dusty. It's been sitting on my desk. Fire hat. Shout out to Yaya Studios for this. But I'm gonna tell you right now, brush. Number 1 step. This is the most simple thing, just a regular brush. I'm gonna see if you can see the difference. Look at the difference. That's a major difference with just a little bit of dust knockoff. Or you can go and copy one of these little foam brushes. They be selling them at Lids. They be selling them on pretty much all hat websites. But this works really good too. And you just, you know what I'm saying? You just knock it off and bam. So this is just regular, knock the dust off your hat, good as new, right? We straight, brand new out here. That's just some regular cleaning. Now, on the second note, this is probably my most worn hat, but you probably not even gonna be able to see on cam. Dirty sweatband. The sweatband is dirty as hell. All right, it's dirty. I wear this joint, I sweat it out. It's one of my favorite hats. But look, this white, bruh. Listen to me, all right. We about to turn this little old, dusty, musty, ruggish bone joint, and we watch. Just rub it. I'm about to show you the difference and just that fast. Like, I'm dead serious. You just take this, bro, and just wipe it and wipe it and wipe it, and you're gonna watch the dirt come up. And I don't know, it doesn't leave watermarks, it doesn't keep any of that, but a lot of people complain constantly about how, yo, I don't like white sweatbands because they get dirty and all that, blah, da, 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 da. Now, for me, like I said, if you wearing the hat, I don't see why it really matters, because it's your forehead sweat, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. Crown Clean, and it might sound funny, obviously, too, I rock with Crown Clean. They actually are going in all Lid stores now, so if you want to cop them locally, you can. I know this is going to make it sound like an ad more, bruh. I'm sorry, but it's not. Okay, this is a genuine reaction to Crown Clean. It is the truth. I love the wipes. That's my go-to. For me, my hats don't really get dirty, so the brush is enough. Like I said, you cop that brush, you knock that dust off, and I mean, it comes just back how it was new. But yeah, man, that's it. Crown Clean. I cop these for my shoes too, man. I'm trying to tell you, this is worth it. But this will keep your white sweatbands clean. And that's that. Munfu Prophet, we out. Peace.